Hi guys, good morning and welcome back. Today we will try to see the stock radar for today, and the stocks should be keep in our radar to watch the performance of the in the market today. So and also market performance also in broader perspective we will try to analyze. So before going to that, let me give you a disclaimer that the content we are discussing is only for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell call, guys. Without any further delay, directly let us jump into the stock radar. KC International will be in focus because RPG Group company has secured a new order worth of 1,100 crores for transmission and distribution projects in India and the Middle East and Australia and the Americas. So actually, KC International got a 1,100 crores order, and Bharti Airtel, the telecom operator, has added 12.50 lakh subscribers in May 2024, up 66.2% from the addition of 7.52 lakhs users in the previous month. In the previous month, 7.52 lakhs they added. In the May month, they added 12.50 lakhs. Reliance Industry, the subsidiary Reliance Jio, added 21.95 lakhs users in May when compared to 26.87 lakh users in the previous month. Whereas in the case of Vodafone Idea, the telecom operator lost 9.2 lakh subscribers in May this year compared to the losses of 7.35 lakhs users in the previous month. Actually, Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio, they're adding the new users or new subscribers into their territory. But whereas in the case of Vodafone Idea, people are going out of the territory. Even though the Vodafone Idea is trying to come back in many ways, they are raising the funds and they're paying off the debts and all. But still, then because of the network and all, people are leaving the Vodafone Idea. Anyways, next is Bajaj Finance. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has levied a penalty of 2 crore on the company for violating the previous of IRDAI regulations. So then comes 187 Communications or Paytm. FlixBus FlixBus announced a strategic partnership with Paytm to significantly enhance its distribution capabilities. So this will also be in focus. So then KPI Green Energy will be in focus, but because of the stock split is going to take place today, it is like 1:1 ratio. If you have the stock of one stock of KPI Green Energy, that will be split into two, and price will also be adjusted accordingly. So don't worry, and in your chart it may be showing in the crash kind of a look, but don't worry about that. This will be uh, settled after once the additional stocks will be credited into your account. Okay, so then comes a few of the stocks will be in focus because of they release the results of Q1 FY25. Asian Paints released its Q1 results. Net profit fall by 24%, revenue declined 2%, EBITDA drops 20%, guys. Then comes LTI Mindtree also released its announced. I have also created a video on that. You can please watch out those videos. Net profit grows 3%, revenue rises 2%, and EBIT increases 4%. L&T Finance net profit jumps 29%, revenue rises 17%, net interest income grows 23%, and consolidated book size increased to 13%. Then comes Alok Industries, net loss narrows to uh, 206.9 crores because this company is making consistent losses, but the losses has been reduced. That is a positive point for this one. Revenue drops 28%, EBITDA spikes to 68%, and margin jumps to 2.06%. So keep close eye on all these stocks today. So there will be a performance and there will be a reaction regarding all these news for the respective stocks. So then comes today also, as it is a result season, many of the companies are going to announce its results today. So keep a close eye on all the results also today. B2B soft is there, and central bank is there. Uh, say Kuwaitin is there, and Bhopal is there. Indian Bank is there. RNP is there, and Lonte is there. You keep a close eye on all these things. Polycab is there. So persistent is there very well. Okay, okay. Persistence is there. You can closely look into these details. And once if it is result is announced, then immediately reaction will be there in the market as well. Okay. So then comes FIS and DIS activity. So if you look at the FIS are the net sell, net buyer, and whereas in the DIS are bit sellers in the market. FIs are like consistently buying it, but DIs are consistently booking the profits. So that is what the market as of now. If you look at our Nifty 50 market, last Tuesday it was closed marginally flat or marginally green, we would say, neither there nor here kind of a response, and it is maintained to stay in that particular consolidated level as well. But if you look at the Dow Jones and Nasdaq performance, it was continuously rallying. Last 2 days was rallied like anything because of the Fed rate cuts. Some kind of a news are flowing around the corner that Fed is going to cut the interest rate in the July month, the 31st, by 25 points, and in the September it's 50 points basis it is going to cut the interest rate. That news is flying here and there. So because of that, there is a fantastic performance in the US market as well. Uh, then comes the Nasdaq. Nasdaq has closed negative because of the sector rotation in the US market, and it is considered continuously. It is seeing the negative performance in the Nasdaq as well. But whereas in the case of Dow Jones, the people are continuously buying because of rotational sector and interest rate cuts and all. So there is a positive momentum in the American market. Uh, so we'll see how it is going to India is going to react to it. And also Chris would also. We saw some of the report based on the Chris Wood. He has given a very positive outlook on the uh, Indian market. So you let me know if I want to cover the video on that. Like I will try to cover that as well, guys. So that's all from my end. Please do like my content and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you.